What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Hemi Baz back on another video, and today we got Halloween edition. As you can see from the Michael Myers mask, we're about to be doing some Halloween decorations on the car. You see, we already got some. We got some of the stuff on the car already. You know, I got a little head start. Got a little too excited, but yeah, I'm really about to figure out what I'm going to do to the whole car, where I want to put everything at. So yeah, this is gonna be a quick video. Nothing too crazy, but just showing y'all the car right quick, a little before and after. You feel me? Mainly, I think I'm gonna do some stuff like mainly on the front, just cause that's what most of the people is gonna see. I'm gonna do most of the stuff on the front, most of the stuff on the back, and then just like a little bit on the sides. We'll see. But yeah, y'all stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment, do all that, man. We almost at 100 subscribers. So, feel me? Without further ado, let's get straight into it. Now, I do want y'all to keep in mind that my car isn't washed right now. It's not clean. So basically what I'm doing is, these are like little sticker things, whatever. I got from, what is it? Spirit Halloween. Using a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Just wiping down the spots that I'm putting these stickers on so that it's clean. And also the alcohol helps with whatever you're sticking to the vehicle to actually like stick really well. Just had to do it for other things too. So it's windy out today, so everything's flying around. Today is October 14th, I think. Correct me if I'm wrong. So we got a few weeks until Halloween. So bro, every day I go to make a YouTube video, whatever I'm installing, it's always windy. I'm about to put some more handprints on the front. So we're gonna see what that looks like here in a second. All right, I think we're just about done with the front. I might put one more little spot on the left side, but so y'all can see right now, it's looking pretty good. All right, y'all. 30 minutes later, we got all the spots that we wanted. So it actually looks pretty good. Look pretty good in my opinion. Yeah, the front looks great, I'm not gonna lie. The front looks, sheesh, the front look crazy. Yeah, man. Now I just gotta figure out what I wanna do with this this warning tape. I got this warning tape crime scene thing. And then I also got some webs too that I wanna use. But I necessarily don't really know how I wanna use this. I might actually put it on the I might put it up here on the rear louver and see what that look like, maybe like on the sides or something. I don't know, we're gonna figure it out, man. So y'all stay tuned. This mask will be going on my seat, by the way, or I might wear it, who knows. All right, man, we back. So this is what I got done so far. I got the caution tape on it. I got it on the front and I got it on the back. I'm thinking about how I want to do it on the sides, or if I even want to do it on the sides. But for right now, it's looking pretty good. Looking pretty good, you feel me? So yeah, this is looking fire. And even the side view look nice. So yeah, getting this bad boy right. I'm definitely gonna do it on the side right here, I think. I'm just trying to figure out how I want to do it, but like I said, come back for the next part, and then we're gonna be doing the webs next. That is gonna be the tricky part because I really don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but this is what we got done so far. So yeah, man. All right, y'all. After a few hours, y'all see it, man. The sun done set. Sun already set, but we got it done finally. We got everything done. We got the spider webs in the back. This thing looking sweet now. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh, my goodness. Sheesh. I should be straight, though, but yeah, man, that's the whole car. And right now, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take it on a little drive. I'm gonna show y'all like some of the details, whatever. See, we got the Michael Myers mask right here. Give y'all a little one last 360 before I hop in here. Details, all about the details. Yes, sir. All right, man. It's time to hop back in this joint. And without further ado, we're gonna get a little cold start right quick before we hop in this joint. All right, let's go. Man, we got the red lights on. We about to go take this for a spin. Feel me? Bring the window down. All right, let's get it. Gas it a little bit. I want to see if I can get some reactions. I might get some reactions, honestly. Michael Myers in the cut. That's a scary sight. Yo, that shit is loud. I think one of the little, I think the caution tape came off a little bit. I'm gonna pull over here and see what happened. Cause I gotta make sure this is doable for the highway. All right, man, I fixed up the final touches. I just put a little bit more duct tape on it. It probably looks better now, I'm not gonna lie, with extra tape on it. But yeah, it looked pretty smooth now, so let's get back on the road. All right, man, last little clip. Hopefully cops aren't right outside the neighborhood, but last little clip before I close this video out. Instantly got louder. Yeah, you can hear it. Man, I hope this stuff stays, bruh. I hope this stuff stays, for real. Because it actually looks really nice. Who knows, when it rains, I might be cooked. But yeah, man, I'm gonna close the video out right here. So if you stayed to the end of the video, man, like, comment, subscribe. You feel me? Go show your boys some support. Show me some love. We almost at 100 subscribers. We on the way. So definitely help me get to that. Share this video with anybody. And let me know in the comments if there's something that I should have added. If there's something that I probably did too much of. Let me know. And you feel me? I might make a part 2 of this. So without further ado, man, Hemi Baz out.
Kill somebody doing a dance, I've been escaped.